Chances are you've heard of or even played pickleball. But before you pick up that paddle, some words of advice from sports medicine physician Michael Fredericson on how to avoid landing in a pickle. So Mike, you ready for some pickleball?
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Bring it.
Bring it on.
Oh, I brought it all right. Oh! How popular is pickleball?
Pickleball is the fastest growing sport there is right now in the United States. It's obviously popular among older people, but it's really getting popular too among younger people. The average age now is 38.
What kind of injuries have you been seeing?
You know, the most common is just sprain or strain of your hamstring, your calf muscles, meniscus injuries. You can have an Achilles rupture. Definitely see a share of our fractures, particularly in women, and particularly older women who might have osteoporosis. Those often go to surgery.
What about men?
Men, we see more of those sprains and strains. We'll see a lot of knee injuries, Achilles injuries.
What would you advise to prevent injuries? What kind of exercises?
One thing is you want to warm up properly. You might want to do these walking lunges, butt kicks, some toe raises, get the Achilles warmed up, some things for your shoulders, twisting. The other things, make sure you're wearing the right shoes. So one thing you also want to keep in mind is staying hydrated. You can work up a really good sweat playing pickleball.
This is not sweat, it's glow.
Of course.
Okay. How long have you been playing, Shirley?
I've been playing for 2 years.
And tell us what happened when you got injured.
Somebody hit a high ball and I went backwards to get it and I tripped and fell. I broke my wrist here and I also broke my foot.
Was it worth it?
Oh yeah, look, I'm still playing. And it's still fun.
What would be your tips for playing pickleball safely?
Something I say to our runners, which is you don't run to get fit, you get fit to run. And the same was with pickleball. You don't want to use pickleball as the primary way to get fit. You want to get fit to allow you to play pickleball.
Ooh, saw that? Yeah, saw that.